tuna hian official takin China le Russia chu inthurwalin ram pakhat beiturin tuna hian an sipai te chu an thok dun don ta ni in alang kan la mu ngai lo thil sang sang te tuna hian an ron pho chuak chho meka tuna hian engthil chi nge an ron pho chu ta khi kan en don ani atiang thil hi chu mu tur wang tak ani nge yang alen dan po hi aturu khop mai tuna hian missile lian tham tak mai chu an ron chop chuak mek ani missile len zia hi han en ta la aturu khop maya abul vela kar te po eta changringot po hian missile len zia hi ise thiam karing ichuan tuna hian he missile hi China highway a chuan an chop chuaka mitam takin an en mek ani alan dan bera chuan thil lian tham tak thleng turatan anin ringlok to ni poin alang tin hi baka hian Russia lampo anin raling chho mek ni poin alanga tuna hian an nipon an missile chu kongpuya an chop chuak vele to bok ani hetianga missile an chop chuak tak na chan ni alang chu German thileng kim mai chu boruak aronti so sang wang ni na langa abik takin tun tin hmuna hian Greenland chungchanga boina na satak a thleng chho meka Greenland hi German a hautlat awangin he hianin tuna hian boruak chu ati so sang hle ani alandan bera chun ram pahni te hian tuna hian indo turin anin pe to ni na langa nuclear nei ram pahni te hi anin bua saina athatok to viu ni poina langa achan chu kanen takang khan an highway ya te missile an chop chuak mek to ani eng missile te hi engmopal thut thlengta sela voi khat me a thok chuak hal thei tur ani boka chuwangin tundin hmuna hian eng thil hian khovel alu chho mek zel ani hetinga boruak aron so sang na chan pakhat chu German thil poimo tak mai aron soi atangin ania darkar tamwak lo liam ta thil soi hi rampani te hian an la thu tak viu ni poina langa German eng thil chi nge soi kal ngai thalok don ani
Now, we are going to do something on Greenland, whether they like it or not, because if we don't do it, Russia or China will take over Greenland, and we're not going to have Russia or China as a neighbor.
Trump chuan thil engemaw tak Greenland a hian kan ti dona an du emaw du lo emaw achan chu kan ti lo chuan Russia emaw China hian Greenland hi op an tum dona keinin Russia emaw China hi chen oma nei kan du lo shim kha German athu soi chu ania hi Russia le China hian an ngai thei lo viu ni poina lang alan dan bera chuan Russia emaw China hi Indona chok chuak tu tur ani don ni in alang German hetianga Greenland lak adowang hian Russia le China hi chulama amang po ani theya achan chu Greenland a hian minerals wang tak le lutak mai chu a chau maya hi ral thuam siamna tan le technology sang tan thilpoimo tak mai ani wangin German Greenland hi op nge adua chuwangin tuna hian a hau na ni point alang bok hunrei taka chang to khan Greenland hi German tiang hian achunga minerals tam tak te lak tum hian rilru alo seng to china tuna hian game an khel te po ni na langa achan chu China le Russia hi Greenland optum anga te po apu ni te point alang tho bok January ni ko khan German thil a thla tak mai soi anei le boka he hianin Russia chu atithin rim khop maya tin China point he thil thleng chungchanga hian action lak antum nge ni point alang
Now, we are going to do something on Greenland, whether they like it or not, because if we don't do it, Russia or China will take over Greenland, and we're not going to have Russia or China as a neighbor.
Video masalama kan soi to ang khan athu soi ngai bok hi German alo soi le to boka Greenland hi kemanin kan thunun lo chuan Russia mo China hian an thunun dona anni chenoma nei kan du lo shim te in alo soi le to bok ani inbiak remna nei pui kan tumanga al samsonga ti andu lo chuanin ahar sa zonga kan ti mai angai dona ni tin asoi boka
I would like to make a deal of, the easy way, but if we don't do it the easy way, we're going to do it the hard way.
mipa kania Denmark ngai sang tu kaniboka mase hi kasildu cheuni kachunga Denmark hian tha em boka mi masela in she thau angin kumzanga liamta longchol hmun an nei kha tuna hian anta ni biklo tin tramchuan soya keini point longtam tak khalai muna han kan choltir thina keini pon kan mamoa Russian an nei tur anelo.
And by the way, I'm a fan of Denmark too. I have to tell you, and you know they've been very nice to me. I'm a big fan, but you know the fact that they had a boat land there 500 years ago doesn't mean that they own the land. I'm sure we had lots of boats go there also, but we need that.
Hemi chungcha hi chuan rilrua thil pakhat lo chu America pon America tunan ram hi anta ani sa bik lova amaro chu an zon chua ani mio wangin tiang hian anta anita ania chu tiang deuh tho chuan tuna hian Greenland po hi nei an tum ni te pon alang in helo po hi zona dangan zot lea nei kherlo vina ven theilo ne ti hin president zota maro chu president hian kanta ani nge chuanin engkima mo phurna gan la kan veng him vek thei don bokani tin president hian presma chuan soibok ane.
When you have a military presence there, which you could expand to affect the security.
Because when we own it, we defend it.
Chuwangin Greenland hi kan ven him nge ngaya kan tilo ni chuan China emo Russia hian lak an tum nge don ani tin president Trump chuan soi ane. China le Russia mi puite hi kalomin ka mangai amaro chu chenoma ne ro ka tu lo hulhuan ani chuwangin April tha China po ka kaldona ni masela Greenland a in chenom tur ero hi chuan ka du lo shim tin president Trump chuan asoi ni ami hi chu NATO point an hriat thiamanga ya keima omlo taila chu tuna po hian NATO hi aum to lowang keima wang chawa omani chuwangin tuna hian Russia le China in Greenland hi an lua ka phallo shim tin Trump chuan asoi ani ichuan tuna thil thleng hian Netherlands lama po ngong lian tak mai anei ta ni nalanga achan chu tuna kan hmu mek hi Netherlands rama thil thleng mek ania Europe rampum pui chuan thil engemoni takatan imbuat sai na anei chho mek ta ane ichuan Trump hi moin khan zona press meeting zot leta a Greenland Prime Minister in Denmark noya Denmark opna noya omandu thu asoi chungchanga hian zonan zot leta tiếng hiền trầm chuan asoi ni chu an mani boina ni engma keima lama tangin boina omlem lo tin ka pompui lo bok tin an prime minister hi tunge ni ka shelo shim ti hin trầm chuan ne so takin a chang le ta ni.
Do you see that as the final word? The premier of Greenland.
Well, that's their problem. That's their problem. I disagree with him. I don't know who he is. Don't know anything about him. But that's going to be a big problem for him.
He ting anga an kaldon ani chuan an mani boina ni mai tin Greenland tan boina na sa taka thleng thei don bok nin Trump chuan a soi bok ti chuan kha tuna boina sang khovelin ato chho tu nin alang ta a setakang khan Greenland a hian thil hlu tak mai aum chau wangin hei hi khovel ram sang ten anin chu chho mek don nin alanga US chuan hei hi a hria chen ema wangin China le Russia in an lak a hlawa Greenland hi op nge tumin ma la chho meka ni masela hei hi China le Russia pon an du lo view ni point langa tuna hian kan sai tang khan missile sang te chu an highway an chop chuak chho mek ta ni eng thil nge thleng zel don ti chu na kina thil chiang zok thil sang hria tur om chho nge a be se oma video danga te kan tar lang le don nia tunruma tan chuan khati zong kha ani ye